Hello everyone, welcome to GFBiper. Today we'll learn how to remove background with just one click. To remove the background in this system, you have to accept one condition that the background of your image must be one color. So first of all, you can go Adobe Photoshop, then you can select Magic Erase Tool. Then you have three options. First option is tolerance, anti-alias and contiguous. So first of all you select anti-alias and select contiguous. And the tolerance maintains your background removing percentage. So first, if you can percent 100%, so just click, then your image will be removing. So you can now adjust this tolerance. So I can 50% tolerance. And now just click the background, just one click background, and the background will be removing perfectly. So now I can choose the color. The background will be removed.